Hi guys, so I decided to come show you a Haitian pepper sauce that Haitian people use over everything. I guess they eat it with pork, with chicken, on rice, whatever. It's pepper. It's our variation. It's very similar to our pickle pepper that we make back home in Jamaica. So the ingredients is salt, the juice of 1 lime, 2 cups of white distilled vinegar. I have 3 Scotch bonnet peppers that I've cut up. These 2 I have taken the seeds out and chopped up. This one I left the seed in. I have 3 sprigs of thyme that I'm going to take the leaves off. I have some cloves here. I have a half a shallot that has been diced up small. I have a half of cabbage that has been shredded very finely, and I have a half of carrot that's been shredded very finely. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to combine these ingredients together, and I'm going to put it in a jar that I can reseal and put in the fridge for storage, so anytime I want to eat it over meats. Alright, so here I am back again. So this is all of this stuff that I have combined that I showed you from the previous video. Oh my god, the smell in here is amazing, and this is so good. This you can pour over any meat, any fried chicken, fried fish, pork, anything you want to eat it over. It's just pepper. And I'm going to just go ahead and add in the final ingredients. I added to this about a tablespoon of salt. And I'm going to add in the lemon juice and the distilled white vinegar now to cover it. And then I'm going to go ahead and mix this all together, and I'm going to put it in a jar, like a mason jar. I got these from a shower and I'm going to utilize them. I ate the stuff out of it and I'm just recycled, so I washed them out and I'm going to reuse them, and they have a lid. I'm just going to pour the pikliz in them and seal them and put them in the fridge for everyday use. Hope you've enjoyed this really quick tutorial, and I'll be back to finish the pork tutorial and also